What's up, you guys? Check this out. Before you guys go crazy calling your furnace, mechanic, plumber, and my heat wasn't working, as you can see. Let me turn off the light. Well, the flame is on, but my light is messing with it. Let me see if I could see that. There's a flame on. I just want to cover my light on the camera. Flame wasn't working, so what I did was I went to Home Depot, bought this thing called thermo. I'm gonna find out the name. I forgot what the hell it's called. So this little guy is pretty much. I opened this bottom cover up. You guys have see that little screw right there? Unwind that screw. Make sure you turn off your gas. Everything is off. So go by the book. Make sure everything is off. And I did turn off my gas from right there. You see the red valve up there on the pipe? It's on the pipe here somewhere. Check them RCs, guys. See right there, the knob on the pipe? I turned that off, and now what I did was I removed this number 10 wrench. I still got it here. This is what I used right here. I turned it, and I took that apart. That clamp is there for no reason. I got to remove that clamp out of there. So pretty much what was going on was I was trying to light up this flame. This flame would not light up. The reason was this was a faulty. So this guy, what it does is it gives a signal to keep the valve open to give flame to the pilot here. So since this was bad, it was on all summer long. Let me see if you can focus on this guy. Let's focus on this tip. See, the tip is burnt, and I took a chance. It's $15. Changed it. And I'm gonna show you guys the package that it came in. So pull this out, go to your Home Depot. It's gonna be a long little thing. Reroute the wiring, send it back. And the pilot is running now. We have flame, and it's looking pretty good. What we're gonna do is, we are gonna close everything back up. That's the part you're not gonna see. So this is what my shop heater looked like. It's pretty bad. And it kept me nice and warm. I am gonna test it, then I'm gonna close everything back, take off that clamp. That clamp has no function there. And we do need to turn this back to on position, okay? There you go. Otherwise your heater is not gonna work. So there's two positions there. If you can see, there's on here, then a pilot, and an off on the other end. So got this baby running, and hopefully you guys can do this yourself. So that's what we're looking at right here. This guy was bad, and just because of this guy, the flame would not stay on, and I replaced it. 20 bucks. Just trying to let you guys know some things you could do. All I used was number 10, and I use Phillips head screwdriver and a needle nose plier here. I got things to put back together. I will do that in a moment, but it only takes 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Just be safe. Turn off your gas, and everything should be good. I am gonna remove my light from here, and I am gonna go fire up the heater and then wait. It takes good about 5 minutes for everything to be lit up. Okay, as you guys can see, there it is. Woo, nice and crispy down here. Looking real nice. My flame is really good. I'm gonna keep a few of those in stock. So this is what this guy is called. This is the one I bought. Thermocouple. That's what it's called. And I bought it for, you can buy it inches. This is 48. And that's all we're looking at. And I'm gonna just wait for the flames to come on. Then I'm gonna call on one of my buddies who's really gave me the idea. And he told me it was worth a try. He just don't wanna be down here. And we're gonna wait for the fan to come on. And let's see if our heater gives us heat, or it starts to shoot fireballs like the dragon. Dudley the dragon. There you go, baby. So if you guys got a house furnace, this is the same thing, okay? Similar procedure. I just need to clean that thing up, then I should be fine. Just the wiring is just too long. I bought a too long a wire. Even though when I pulled out, it's pretty long. This is the one I pulled out. So this is what we're looking at right here. Anyways, I just want some heat. Give me some heat. Heat. Come on, baby, kick in. Check out my other channel. It's called RC USA 201. You will see all these bashers, speed ones, 150 mile per hour, backflips, all kinds of stunt. But I watched a couple of YouTube videos, just like I make mechanic videos and RC videos. This thing really helped me out, guys. Google up some stuff and you should be in good hands. Should kick in any moment. The fan should kick in. Wow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Ah, come on. Go! Come on, baby. Once it gets hot enough, it is gonna kick in, okay? There you go. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! We got heat, baby. Yeah! I was gonna call up some people. They're gonna screw me. Probably change the whole thing. I was gonna be cold up in this baby. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Try to do things on yourself. Just be careful, be safe, and check for gas leaks. I'm happy here and I'm done. See you guys on the next one. Let's go look a little bit inside what's going on in there. So the flames did turn off. There you go. They come back on and off, on and off. That's how it's gonna be, baby. On and off. It's nice and crispy down here. So we do need to put a cover on just for the safety of it. And I'll test it and we should be all done. Okay, I want to perform a small test on this thermocoupler here. So pretty much when I saw that little tip, I watched somebody's video on YouTube and that tip gave it all away. It looks all burnt out. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I saw. So we got our milliamp DC here. So pretty much it's supposed to give me like a 0.5. So it's 2 wires, okay? The outside is 1 wire, and then this little guy in here separates the 2 wires, so this is the second contact, okay? So as this tip gets hot, this is supposed to give me some type of voltage, but we have nothing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get a lighter, and we're gonna heat this guy up. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, wait 1 second. I'm gonna put the contacts here. So pretty much I'm touching positive and negative, and now he's gonna heat the tip of that. So when I made that test and I got no voltage, I was confirmed. Okay, so there's nothing there. There's nothing there. Pretty much when I lit that up, it went to 0. Whatever we had, even that disappeared. So that's how you're gonna check this guy, and if it's bad, just change it, okay? That's it. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one.